Good morning, children. This is Venkatachalam, your science 2 teacher. Today we are going to discuss the difference between a dicot stem and monocot stem. You see the diagram. The first one is monocot stem, then second one diagram is dicot stem. You can see the picture. The vascular bundle is scattered one, but in dicot the vascular bundle is arranged in a ring. This is the first difference. Second one, the epidermis cortex stele is highly differentiated in a dicot, but in monocot there is no difference in epidermis cortex and pith. It is a second difference between the monocot and dicot. Then third important difference is hypotermesis. In dicot stem is a collonchymatous. In monocot it is a sclerenchymatous. Then ground tissue is differentiated into cortex, endodermis, pericycle, pith, but in monocot is undifferentiated, already told. Then third point, here the vascular bundle is in monocot it is a scattered in a monocot, but dicot it is arranged in a ring. The number in vascular bundle is less in number in dicot, but vascular bundle is more in number. It is a numerous in a monocot. All the vascular bundle in a uniform size in dicot, but in monocot that near the periphery it is a smaller in size and bigger in a center of the tissue. Third point, in vascular bundle it is arranged in a ring in a dicot, arranged in a scattered manner in monocot. The vascular bundle in dicot is collateral open. It means in between the xylem and the phloem cambium is present, so it is called collateral open vascular bundle. But in monocot, in between the xylem and phloem there is no cambium, so cambium is absent, so it is called as a collateral closed vascular bundle. Then last point in a vascular bundle, the bundle sheath is absent in dicot, but it is present in a monocot. This is a difference between the monocot dicot, in particular in a vascular bundles. The next one is secondary growth is present in a dicot, but it is absent in monocot, and pith is present in dicot, pith is absent in monocot, and the medullary ray is present in between two vascular bundle. It is present in a dicot, but it is absent in monocot. This is an important 2 mark question and 5 mark questions. Sometime draw the diagram and explain that TS of dicot stem. It is a 5 mark questions. Okay, children. Next we are going to discuss the internal structure of dicot stem. The dicot stem is differentiated into 3 major zones: epidermis, cortex and stele. The epidermis, it is the outermost layer. It is a single layer and it is made up of parenchyma cells. It is the outermost layer. It is covered with a thick cuticle, so it is performing a protection. Protection is the main function of epidermis. Okay. The next one is cortex. This cortex is divided into 3 regions. Hypodermis, first one, it consists of 3 to 6 layer of collonchyma cells. It gives a mechanical support. Second layer, middle cortex, it is made up of chloronchyma cells. It involves photosynthesis due to the presence of chloroplast. Then innermost cortex, it is made up of a few layer of parenchyma cells. It helps in a gaseous exchange and store a food material. That near that inner cortex, a single layer endodermis is present, and it is a barrel shaped parenchyma cells which contain a starch grain, so it is called starch sheath. Next, the innermost part of vascular bundle is stele. The central part of stem, it is inner the endodermis, is known as stele. It consists of pericycle, vascular bundle, pith. pericycle, it is occur between the vascular bundle and endodermis. It is a multi-layer and it is alternating the patch of sclerenchymatous. It is multi-layer parenchyma with alternating the patch of sclerenchyma. Next one is a bundle cap. There is a patch, a hard sclerenchyma tissue in the outside of the phloem, and it is called as a bundle cap. The next one is vascular bundle. The vascular bundle is conjoined collateral vascular bundle, and it is an endark and open one. What is called open? In between that xylem and phloem, the cambium is present. It is called open. So it is a collateral open vascular bundle. What is the meaning of endark? The protoxylem is towards the pith. It is called endark protoxylem. The pith is a central parenchymatous zone, and it is filled with a parenchymatous intercellular space, and it is a help in a storage of food material. Okay. The next one is internal structure of monocot stem maize. It is classified into epidermis and ground tissue. And epidermis is a single layer. It is the outermost layer. It is made up of a parenchyma, and it is covered with a thick cuticle, and the multicellular hair are absent, and the stomata are very less in number. Then the hypodermis is made up of a few layers of sclerenchyma cells. It is interrupted by a chlorenchyma. The sclerenchyma, it is provide the mechanical support to the plant. Next one is ground tissue. It is the entire mass of parenchyma cells to the hypodermis. What is the main difference between the monocot and dicot? The vascular bundle is scattered in monocot, but it is arranged in a ring. Due to that, it is well differentiated epidermis, cortex and stele. But here that arrangement due to the presence of the scattered manner. Okay. The next one is ground tissue, and it is extending to the center. So it is called a ground tissue. It is not differentiated into endodermis, cortex, pericycle and pith. The next one is vascular bundle. This vascular bundle is skull shaped and scattered in a ground tissue. The vascular bundles are conjoined, collateral, endark and closed. Endark means the protoxylem is towards the pith. Closed means in between the xylem and phloem there is no cambium. So it is a conjoined, collateral, endark, closed vascular bundle. Each vascular bundle is surrounded by a few layers of sclerenchyma. It is called bundle sheath. The xylem, it is consists of metaxylem and protoxylem. The xylem vessels are arranged in a V or Y-shaped in mature vascular bundle. The lower most protoxylem is disintegrated and form a cavity. This cavity is called protoxylem lacuna. Phloem, it consists of a sieve tubes, elements and companion cells. That phloem parenchyma and phloem fibers are absent. It is a character of monocot. Keep in mind. The next one is pith. Pith is not differentiated in monocot stem, or the pith is absent. It is the important characters of monocot. Okay, children, draw the diagram and explain. It is a 5 mark questions. Okay, children, let's continue the revision in next class. Take care. Bye.